Hi, the year I chose is 1912. Let's see some of art's influences and scientific advancements for the time. After the Industrial Revolution, many inventions had came to be. Photography became a new artistic medium, as well as an influence in futuristic art. Marcel Duchamp's Nude Descending a Staircase No. 2, which we see here, was influenced by stroboscopic photography, in which we see a sequence of camera images showing the movement by freezing successive instants. Edward Muybridge had photographed a nude woman earlier in the late 1800s going down the staircase. We see his direct influence in Marcel Duchamp's No. 2. Cubism was moving forward into futurism. Abstract shapes and figures, here we see, have implied motions. The figure is moving down diagonally down the staircase, and we see a lot of these geometric and cubist shapes. He says his goal was to create a static representation of movement. Cinematography and film were also a new form of art during this time period. So there was a big change in the sense of motion, of time, and in space. Mathematics still were contributing to the influences of artists, especially during this time of many shapes, angles, and lines. Francis Picabia discussed geometry in his studio. He is also known as the father of Dadaism. He would speak about breaking down a rectangle into two squares, seeing how a diagonal line going through would break it and create these new angles. Some of his artistic friends included Duchamp. During this period, there were many class tensions and revolutions occurring in Russia, Mexico, and China. There was a real need for self-expression and individualism. So artists such as Robert Delaunay, who had created this image, started to explore more colors and really painting from the heart.